Welcome to Mahir's Planet. Today, we're simplifying AI. We'll explore important AI terms, explained clearly and quickly. Let's dive right in. A prompt is simply the instruction or question you give an artificial intelligence to get a specific response. Think of it as asking a precise question to get a clear answer. Tokens are the smallest units of text, like words or parts of words, used by AI to understand and process language. Fine-tuning means training an artificial intelligence further on specific data to improve its accuracy for particular tasks. Datasets are collections of information, texts, images, numbers, used for training AI models. Algorithms are step-by-step instructions computers use to complete tasks or solve problems. Transformers are artificial intelligence architectures that efficiently help computers process and understand language. AI automation lets AI handle tasks automatically, like email sorting and appointment scheduling, without human intervention. Data augmentation means adding new or modified data to a dataset to help AI models learn better and become more accurate. An artificial neural network is modeled after the human brain, helping computers recognize patterns and make decisions. Machine learning lets computers learn from data and improve without explicit programming for each situation. Hallucination is when an artificial intelligence mistakenly generates incorrect information because of misunderstanding or insufficient data. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Mahir's Planet.